In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your Shopify store visibility with barcodes and GTINs. Barcodes and GTINs might seem like small details, but they play a huge role in how your products show up on search engines, marketplaces, and sales channels like Google and social media. When these codes are set up correctly, it becomes much easier for platforms to recognize your products, match them to catalog data, and surface them to the right customers. In other words, good barcode data can directly impact your visibility and your sales. Let's walk through exactly how to add barcodes to a product in your Shopify admin. First, sign into your Shopify account and head to your main Shopify dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see sales, orders, and shortcuts to different parts of your store. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. This is where all of your existing items live. You'll see a list or grid of every product you've added, including their titles, availability, and inventory details. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly find the one you want to work on. Next, click on the product you'd like to add barcodes for. This opens the full product detail page. Here, you can edit things like the title, description, images, pricing, and inventory. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct item, especially if you have similar products or variants. Now scroll down to the inventory section of the product page. Near the bottom of this section, you'll see a field labeled barcode. Sometimes you'll see it referred to as a GTIN, UPC, EN, or ISBN, depending on the type of product and region. This is where you'll enter the official code that corresponds to the product. Click into the barcode field and carefully type or paste your barcode number. It's important that this code matches the number assigned by your barcode provider so that external platforms can correctly identify the item. Double check for extra spaces or missing digits, because even a small typo can cause issues with product matching. Once you've entered the barcode, go up to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will update the product with the barcode you just added. After saving, that product is now better prepared to sync accurately with channels like Google, marketplaces, and other integrations that rely on GTINs and barcodes. That's all you need to do to add barcodes to a product in Shopify.